In this video, I'm going to show you how to express quantities as a percentage. For example, you get two tests. One test you scored 35 out of 50, and the other test you scored 30 out of 40. Your mom and dad want to know on what test did you get a better score. So, by looking at these two scores, these two fractions, you can't really tell which one you did better, because both of them have a different denominator. So you can't just go and compare the numerators with each other. No, it doesn't work like that. Now, what we can do is express both quantities as a percentage. So for the first one, I'm going to change this fraction into a percentage, and I know how to do that already because I showed you that in my previous video. So I'm going to put it over 100, which is going to be 70, which is going to be 70%. Same thing for 30 over 40. I'm going to put 30 over 40. Oh, that's an easy one. That's 3 over 4, which is 75%. Now I see 35 over 50 gives me 70%, while 30 over 40 actually gives me 75. So I obviously did better on my second test because 75% is more than 70. Now, so that means that 35 out of 50 is smaller than 30 out of 40. Alright, second example. Your mom and dad want to buy you a laptop. A new laptop. It's always fun to receive a new laptop. Alright, in total they're going to pay £800. But there's a catch. Your mom and dad want to buy you a new one, but they're only going to give you £500. You have to come up with 300 yourself. Question: what percentage do your mom and dad pay, and what percentage do you pay? So what's the percentage value? That's the question here. Okay, let's see. Your parents are going to pay 500. 500 out of your total of 800. So we're going to write 500 out of your total, which is 800. So we're always going to compare the part of your value compared to your total value. You are going to pay 300 compared to your total value is going to be 800. Now, the only thing that's left for us to do is to change this into percentages. 500 over 800, that's actually 5 over 8. And I know how to put that as a percentage. That's 5 over 8 times 100, and I get the percentage, which is going to be 62.5. So your parents are going to pay 62.5% of your laptop. Now, you could say, oh, so I'm going to pay 100% minus that 62% or 62.5. I'm just going to pay the rest, and that will be 37.5. That's how easy it could be. But let's check. Okay, so 300 over 800, that's 3 over 8. I'm going to try to put that as a percentage. So I'm going to use my calculator for that again. 3 over 8 times 100. And yes, I get 37.5%. So, in the end, out of that £800, my mom and dad are going to spend, or are going to pay 62.5%, while I'm going to pay 37.5%. Okay, good luck on the exercises.